Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 math subject. Okay, so in our previous class we have started the chapter square root. Okay, so we are going to do some of the simplification based on square root. Okay, so our question is under root 2 into under root 450. Okay, so we have to simplify it. So as we know, it is also under the square root, that is the square root 2, and this is also under root 450. So what we can do is we can write it as under only one square root, that is your 2 into 450. Okay, so this square root is for 2 also. Okay, and this square root is for 450 also. So we can combine this both the question in this way. Okay, both the term in this way. Okay, so now in next step what we'll do, we will find the prime factors. Okay, what we'll do, we'll find the prime factor. So these two cannot be factorized further. Okay, but this 450 can be factorized. So 450, let's find the factors. Okay, so by 2, because it is a even number, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay, by now 3. Okay, because if you add this all the digit, because it is a first odd number, so it cannot be divided by 2. Check it by 3. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 5, that is your 9. Yes, it can be divided by 3. Okay, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Again it can be divided by 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Now it cannot be divided by 3 because as it is your 25. Okay, so it will be divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. Okay, so what we can write here, under root 2. Okay, this 2 into, for this 450, what I will write, these factors I will write. Okay, that is your 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, I hope it is clear. This 2 I will write as it is. Okay, and for 450 I will write this factor 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 for 450. Okay, after doing this we need to just make a pair of number. Okay, so we are going to do, we are going to make a pair now. So 2 and 2 we can make it pair, 2 square into 3 and into 3, 3 square into 5 into 5 is 5 square. Okay, so all are in square terms, so square and square root are cancelled, so we got 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, what is our answer? That is our 30. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, so it's very simple. You need to just combine it, find the factors. Okay, after finding the factor, make a pair. After making a pair, okay, cancel the square and square root, you will get your answer after multiplying. Okay, isn't it easy? Yes. So let me do one more question for you. Okay, under root 3 into under root 243. Okay, for this what we'll do, same process. Under root 3 into 243, find the factors of 243. Okay, so now let's check, it is your odd number, so cannot be divided by 2. By 3, yes, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27s are 3 9s are, okay, 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so what we can write now, this 3 I will write as it is. Okay, for this 243 we will write this all the factors, that is your 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 3s for 243, and this 3 I have written as it is. Okay, so now next step is to make the pair. Okay, so these two are in pair, so 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. Okay, 2 pair 2 pair 2 pair. Okay, so square 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 and square root is cancelled, so we got 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So our answer is 27. Okay, isn't it easy? So now let's move to another question. Okay, okay. Our next question is your from question number 4, what smallest number should the following number be multiplied to make the perfect square? Okay, so what smallest number should the following number be multiplied to make the perfect square? So for this our question is, suppose question number A is your 450. Okay, so now the question is asking what smallest number should we multiply in 450 so that it becomes your perfect square. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is we need to find the factors of, okay, prime factors of 450. So let's find here 450. Okay, its prime factor 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 3, it is just the previous question type. Okay, 3 7s are, 3 5s are, okay, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, so what we can write here, 450 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, so these are the factors of 450. Okay, so now what our next step is, let's make a pair. Okay, so 2 into 2 don't have any pair, 3 square into 5 square. Okay, so here 3 its power is 2 and 5 its power is 2, means they are the perfect square. Okay, but here 2 is squareless. Okay, if there would be one more 2 into 2, then we can make a pair of these two, but there is not. Okay, so what should we multiply here? Okay, so what we should multiply here is your, what is your squareless number? A squareless number. How many squareless number are here? How many squareless number are here? Only one. Okay, that is your 2. So what if we can make it also square, then 450 will be our perfect square. So squareless number is your 1, that is your 2. So therefore 2 must be, or should be, okay, sorry, 2 should be multiplied to 450 to make it perfect square. Okay, we should multiply 2. Okay, that 2 is that smallest number that we multiplied on 450, then it will become a perfect square. Just we need to see here, okay, how many are in perfect square and which one is the squareless. That number we have to multiply. Okay, one more question let me do for you. The question number, okay, 800. This is your B number. Okay, what smallest number should be multiplied to 800 to make it perfect square? So again we need to find the factors of 800. Okay, 2 400. Okay, 200 is a 250, 225, 5 5 is a 5 1 is a. Okay, so again here 800 is equal to, what we can write here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so now let's make a pair. Okay, so these two are in pair, so 2 square into 2 square into 2 into 5 square. Okay, again here this 2 is not having the pair. Okay, so what should be multiplied here? So 2 is the smallest number that should be multiplied to to 800 to make it perfect square. Okay, so just we need to see which is the squareless number here. Okay, that number we should multiply to make it perfect square. Okay, so one more question. (216). Okay, so again let's find the factor of 216. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 208. Okay, 2 again divided by 2, 54s are okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are okay, 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are okay. So this 216 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So let's make a pair. Okay, let's make a pair. These two are in pair. Okay, this 2 is remaining. Here 3 is in pair and 3 is remaining. Okay, so squareless number are, if we see here how many are squareless, this 2 and 2, that is 2 into 3. Okay, these 2 are squareless here. Okay, so what should be multiplied? Therefore the product of these two number. Okay, how many we will get here squareless, the product of that number should be multiplied. Okay, that is your 2 3s are 6. Okay, 6 is the smallest number that should be multiplied to 216 to make it perfect square. Okay, so 6 we should multiply here. How many number are unpair here, that number product we should multiply. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this. So your exercise question up to question number 5 you can easily do. The question is asking here multiplied. Okay, the question may ask you about the divide, what number should divide to make it perfect square. In that question also same way you have to do. The number which are unpair, okay, or the squareless number are there, that numbers, okay, or the product of that number should be divided to make that number perfect square. This I have done for multiplied. The question may be in, just like in question number 5, there what number should divide. Okay, same way the number which you got, in that case if you divide there also you can get the answer, because when you divide this number will be cancelled. Okay, and you will get only the remaining is your perfect square. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. So this much for today. Thank you everyone. Please stay home, be safe. Thank you.